How to fix Snapchat, something went wrong on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat, something went wrong on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and now first type here Snapchat, click on it and then click for stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and after that go to permissions and check all of those permissions here, and uh, and that's it. Then just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here to data usage and allow all of those mobile data. You will find it like that, just allow it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.